What's up, Toyota fans? It's Andrew from Trail Runner Customs, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2005 to 2007 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro Grill. So opening the box, the first thing that you see is the grill insert and screws. They're nicely packaged with a Trail Runner Customs sticker. And then the next thing you will find in your box is a Trail Runner Customs light and harness box. So putting that aside, the next thing we have is the V8 emblem and then the screws that go on the emblem as well as the sensor plate. And now finally we have the grill itself wrapped in a nice bubble wrap sleeve. So the first thing we're going to do is take the grill out of the bubble wrap. Here I am just pulling it out. As you can see, the grill is a matte black ABS plastic. It's very durable yet very lightweight. Setting that down, we are going to take a look at the grill itself. Here it is. It's the honeycomb style. It has the cut in the middle for the grill insert and then the V8 badge spot on the bottom right. So taking our lights, we're going to look inside there, and as you will see, it comes with a wiring harness with an open end. It also has 3 amber Raptor lights that fit in the honeycomb slots in the grill. Putting that aside, we have the grill insert and screws. Opening this up, as you can see, let me just open this up. It has the bolts that attach the Sequoia grill to the hood, and then it has the smaller screws that attach the insert to the grill itself, and then you have your Toyota logo emblem. Taking that out of the package, as you can see, it's a silver color. It goes just like the OEM Tacoma grills, and it will screw into the back of the grill like I said. So taking a look at the Toyota V8 badge, we're going to set that aside. And so here it is out of the wrapper. You've got the silver V8 badge, and then you have the sensor plate that goes on the back and the screws for both of those. We're going to go over how to put those on in just a second. So I've taken the screws that come with the V8 badge and the sensor plate, and I'm taking them out. As you can see, there is a longer pair and a shorter pair. Now we're going to go over which one goes with what addition to the grill. So first you want to go ahead and flip your grill over on its back. That way you can access where the screws go. So then you can take your V8 badge and you can kind of just hold it in place on the front or set it on a table like I did here. And then I grab my Phillips head screwdriver and I grab the shorter screws and go ahead and screw them onto the grill. Next, you're going to take the screws that come with the grill insert itself, and you're going to take the 4 silver screws and use those to attach the Toyota insert to the grill. So again, you just want to take your Phillips head screwdriver, grab your silver screws, and go ahead and tighten it on. After you're done with that, you can then take your sensor plate and you're going to want to do it so the flat side is facing down towards the Toyota emblem and the side with the cross metal or the cross plastic pieces is facing out. You then take your long black screws and use that same Phillips head to tighten it down. There should be little kind of plastic prongs where it slides right into, and after that you can flip the grill back over. Now is the time to take your Raptor lights if you want to install them, and basically you can pick any of the open full honeycomb shape, and all you have to do is slide the harness in and then push down on the light itself and it'll click into place and hold steady. The pattern I went with is a very symmetrical center base pattern. This is probably the most common pattern and it gives it the Raptor light look. So as you can see, I'm just sliding the harnesses through and pushing down on the clips and it pops right into place. So that's pretty much it. That is the unboxing and assembly of the 2005 to 2007 Toyota Sequoia TRD Pro Grill. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, if you want to make your Toyota stand out, pick up a TRD Pro Grill on our website today, link in description.